Hi guys, Lifeline here with another unboxing video. Let's get started. Whee! Okay, this time I asked some rings and guys gave me only green. Alright, thanks for them. Anyways, I asked also for coffee and etc. But okay, that's nice too. I got green at least. Here's Chow's uncut. Should be uncut, but it's cut head. This will be my head for wig making now. This is large black navy boost. It's classical boost. And here is parts of Safubi peachy body stand. Okay, let's put it all together. I hope I will manage that. Large boost. Oh, it's so soft. Even if it's a bit cold, it's very soft. So squishy. Hey, even hands. That's totally awesome. Its place. Finally. It's super soft. As Danny said, it has gaps. Maybe it's because I did something wrong. Very pitchy. Very squishy. It's extremely soft everywhere. Oh, that's super nice. Such a nice feeling. And it goes far. And here. Feet are soft as well. And this is very nice. It may be not looking good, but I'm more than sure that it won't be seen under the clothes. That's awesome. Okay, the reason why I took this body is this hat. That's Shilen, and I thought it will be faster for her to become a full doll if I just buy her body. Here we go. I'm absolutely in love with this body for its softness and ability for posing. Yet I would love the knees to bend a little bit more. That's it for now. Bye.